Myself CS Patel from MCGM Virtual Class welcome all of you. Due to the global pandemic, this year's educational session is being affected. In such a situation, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken an initiative to provide every student online education. So let's get started. Students, standard 8th. Yes, you are seeing my English book 8, standard 8. So subject English. And today's lesson is trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. Okay, so we'll read this lesson today. So students, myself CS Patel, Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. Okay students, so now let us start. Now students, first of all, say about the poet. Yes, trees are the kindest things I know. A poet, Harry Benn, American screenwriter. Harry Benn was an American screenwriter and children's author. He was involved writing scenes and continuities for a number of screenplays, including the war film The Big Parade in 1925. Born 24 September 1898 in United States and died 6 September 1973 in United States. So students, you are seeing Harry Benn, poet. Now students, how trees are useful in your life. Yes, so they give us fruits, flowers, shade and many more things. Trees produce oxygen, which is life for us. Trees are our best friends. Life is impossible without trees. Now students, this is the poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. So trees are the kindest things I know. This poem was composed by Harry Benn. Now students, listen once. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know, by Harry Benn. So students, we will practice this lesson, this poem, line by line. Now trees are the kindest things I know. So students, what are trees? So trees have thick wooden central part from which branches grow. Trees are the kindest things I know. So what is kindest? The word kindest means friendly and generous. Trees are the kindest things I know. So students, we can see that trees are kindest things I know means we see, yes, if you try to pluck the fruit from tree, what we see? We see that we get fruits. But suppose students, if we hurt anyone from the stone, what will we get in reply? So it's a big question mark there. So we can say that trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm. They do not harm. Harm means damage or injury. They do not harm. They simply grow. Yes, so they simply grow. We will see the next lines. And spread a shade for sleepy couch. And spread a shade for sleepy couch and gather birds among their pouch. See students, shade. So what is shade? Shade means an area that is darker or cooler than in the sun. So yes, we are seeing that how trees spread. Yes, shade. So and spread a shade for sleepy couch means students, we are seeing that how couch are taking rest under the tree. So yes, you are seeing a big tree, how animals are taking shelter under the tree. So and spread a shade for sleepy couch and gather birds among their pouch. Pouch means students, branches. Means students, trees help to many birds or many insects, you can say, that making their nest. So yes, now see further. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses up. They give us fruit in leaves above. Yes, students, you are seeing the trees are providing fruit. Yes, we are seeing, and wood to make our houses of means we can see how the wood of trees are useful in making houses. So trees are providing houses too, means we will see further. And leaves to burn on Halloween. Students, what is Halloween? A festival in autumn observed in Western countries. In Western countries, students, this is a kind of a festival, yes, which is celebrated in Western countries. So yes, and leaves to burn on Halloween. And in this festival, people make to warm. Yes, they just burn trees leaves in this festival. Okay, so keep in your mind about Halloween's festival. And in the spring, new buds of green. Yes, buds of green means flower buds and leaves from green. And in the spring, new buds of green. Yes, students, you are seeing in spring season, while you are seeing, yes, new buds of green. See here, new buds of green. They are the first when days begin. Yes, students, in the morning, or you can say when the day is starting. They are the first when the days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. Beams means, students, yes, rays. So to touch the beams of morning sun, yes, you are seeing in the morning we see they are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. You are seeing the image, how the beams of the morning sun, how the trees face. Yes, you are seeing. And in the next lines, they are the last to hold the light. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into the night. See students, in the evening they are the last to hold the light, means trees hold the lights in the evening, and when evening changes into the night. See, evening changes into the night. And in the next line, and when a moon floats on the sky. Students, floats means होता है, yes, to move slowly. Floats means to move slowly. Yes, and when a moon floats on the sky, yes, you are seeing in the night, then see what happens while in the night. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Yes, students, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Yes, while students, trees are moving slowly in the night, that they are creating, just like you are seeing the image, they are just like they hum a drowsy lullaby. Suppose trees are providing such situation, such creation, that they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Yes, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. So poet Harry is saying that trees are the kindest things I know. They provide many things to us, but they do not want anything in return from us. So yes, we can see trees are the kindest things I know. Now students, will practice fill in the gap in the table of degree of comparison. So students, you have practiced earlier as positive, comparative and superlative. So kindness is given superlative degree. So you have to think about positive and comparative. So yes, you can think kind, kinder, kindest. Okay, so one more word is there, healthier. Healthier is comparative degree, so you have to think about positive and superlative degree. I think yes, you can easily think. So think and practice healthy, healthier and healthiest. So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Students, we have completed today's session. So work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.